now, your WZDX Pinpoint Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jordan Dressman.
Rain moved into North Alabama, southern middle Tennessee through the later part of the afternoon, early into the evening, and it's sticking with us as we get into the early part of the overnight. Some of this rain moderate to at times heavy, indicated by the darker greens, some of the brighter yellows, maybe a little lighter up across southern middle Tennessee, Giles and Lincoln County, maybe dealing with some lighter, more scattered activity. But for the most part across the heart of the Tennessee Valley, we continue to talk about widespread rain. And it looks like the widespread rain is going to stick with us through the rest of the overnight. At times, some of that rain could actually be heavy. That heavy rain is going to continue, especially through Thursday morning and then through Thursday afternoon. Now, once we get into Thursday, we're also talking about that opportunity for a few thunderstorms. But given a rather large lack of instability, it's unlikely that any of that thunderstorm activity would be on the severe end of the spectrum. It's all associated with this area of low pressure hanging out across portions of Louisiana right now. That area of low pressure is actually whatever's left of Tropical Storm Beta. Associated with that area of low pressure is a lot of moisture across Mississippi up into Alabama and then even portions of Tennessee. That low is going to continue to move to the northeast by Thursday morning, hanging out across central Mississippi, continuing to dump a lot of very heavy rain across the Tennessee Valley. You're certainly going to want to send the kids off with a jacket and an umbrella tomorrow morning, because we're going to be talking about widespread, moderate to at times heavy precipitation across North Alabama, southern middle Tennessee. Now, I've stopped the clock here at the lunch hour. You can see a few gaps of dry beginning to show up. Don't focus so much on the individual location where it's not raining. Just focus on the fact that there may be a couple of lulls in the activity through the heart of the afternoon, but generally we're going to continue to talk about this idea for widespread shower and thunderstorm activity, especially during the heart of the afternoon, anywhere between 3 and say 6:30. Once we get into the early part of the evening, or the middle part of the evening rather, some of this rain is beginning to fizzle out just a little bit, and we do continue that process through the overnight and early into your Friday morning. Though notice we don't really get rid of the cloud cover. The clouds are going to stick with us through the afternoon. It's not until the early part of Friday night that it looks like we begin to lose that cloud cover, and that allows us to see a little bit of sunshine as we head into the first half of your weekend. Rainfall total is going to be rather high, 3.5. Locally, we're talking about 4, maybe even 4.5 or 5 inches of rain. Generally speaking, totals have been forecast to be a little lower across northeast Alabama, but even with recent model runs, trying to up those totals just a little bit. With all of that in mind, a flash flood watch is set to go into effect 4 o'clock on Thursday morning. That'll run through 7 p.m. on Thursday evening. Widespread 2 to 3 inches across the Tennessee Valley. Locally, we're talking about that chance for 4 to 5 inches of rain. So localized flooding is something that is definitely a concern, at least through Thursday afternoon. As far as the rest of the 7-day forecast is concerned, 78 on Friday, some scattered showers. That chance is going to linger into the weekend. It is going to be a little warmer compared to the work week. Highs hanging out in the lower 80s, Connor.
Well, I'm trying to find the positive in all of this, and tomorrow's the worst day, so at least we'll get it over with, right?
Yeah, we'll get it over with before we finish out the work week. And the positive in all of this would be that Friday night football does look like it is going to be mostly dry.
There we go, something to look forward to. Thank you, Jordan.